how to get out of a bail bond agreement. Comment below, let us know what you think about this topic right here. So, Mr. Manuel Alvarez asks, my nephew was jailed and my brother, who is the dad, asked me to help him with the bond, and I did. My nephew keeps doing bad things. That's why I want to get out of the bail bonds contract. But he's threatened me. What do I do? Well, you really should talk to the bail bonds company. Now, generally speaking, they're not just going to let you weasel out of the contract because you're a surety. You're insurance to make sure that the kid actually shows up in court so they can collect their 10% when the whole thing is over. If you want to get out of it, they're going to want you to find somebody else with similar assets or more valuable assets to replace you. If you could find somebody else to replace you, great. They're not going to care. However, if you can't find somebody to replace yourself, well, they're probably not going to let you out of the contract, or if they do, they will probably simply want to get rid of the bond. They'll want to go to the court and say, hey, look, Your Honor, the surety is no longer willing to insure this, and then maybe the judge will just forfeit the bond, and then the bail bonds company gets their money back, and then they issue a warrant and go get the kid. That's something that could happen. But there's another issue here. It says right here that he was threatening you. Well, wait a second. What kind of threats are we talking about? Because if there were criminal threats where he was going to cause you bodily harm or death, wait a second. Now we're talking about he could be charged with a new charge with the California Penal Code Section 422, which is a felony that carries up to 3 years state prison, but that would be something that would increase the bond, which means your son or your nephew would have to find somebody else or you beg to be able to put that extra money up so that the new warrant doesn't stay outstanding, so that he could avoid being arrested. And if that doesn't happen, well, then he could be arrested on the new bond, and that could theoretically cause the old bond to get forfeited. But before going into all those crazy details, talk to the bail bonds company first. Regardless, if you'd like to learn more about criminal defense here in the San Francisco Bay Area, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Law Offices of Cross & Associates, and feel free to ask questions in the comment section below so that we may respond in the future with more videos for you. But if you've been accused of a crime here in the San Francisco Bay Area and need representation, give us a call for free consultation at 1-800-862-7677. Once again, 1-800-862-7677. On our next video, we're going to be discussing somebody who was unfairly accused of a crime. Criminal lawyer, criminal lawyers. DUI lawyer, DUI lawyers. Criminal attorney, criminal attorneys. DUI attorney, DUI attorneys.